all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make gesture typing. The typing is done by the movement of the face and the blinking of eye. The movement of face control the cursor of the mouse and the eye blink control the mouse left click. The code is divided into two parts. In first part we need to detect the eye and the face, so we need to track the face and the eye. And the second part is of a virtual keyboard. We make a virtual keyboard using GUI. Let's see the code. This is the library used in the project, so make sure you download all the libraries. In this project we need a face detector. Face detector is done by the face cascade. This is the XML file which is in the OpenCV. It detects the human face. This function is eye aspect ratio. In this project the second part of gesture is the blinking of eye, and the blinking of eye is done by the eye aspect ratio. What is eye aspect ratio? Eye aspect ratio calculate how much the eye is closed and how much eye is open. If I close the eye aspect ratio decreases. If I open the eye aspect ratio increases. So we use the threshold. This is the eye aspect ratio threshold, and this is the consecutive frames. This is the detector. This is the file which extension is .dat. This is the predictor. It predicts the location of eye, nose, mouth and face. All these information are stored in that file. So make sure you also download this file. I mentioned this file in GitHub. You can download from there. I also mention the libraries, means which library you download in GitHub. Here you see this is the face detector. These all are stored in that file. Means it locate the our eye, nose and mouth and the whole face. So we need focus in this because we need to detect the eye. These two lines are the landmarks. The landmarks mean these are the landmarks of the eye, and after that it captured the frame. Inside the while loop it captured the frame and resize the frame and flip the frame, and after that convert into gray. This detect the face. This is the minimum resolution of the face it detect. If you go far from the camera, the size of your faces decreases. So this is the minimum size of your face. You can also increase or decrease. And after that loop over the face detection. It determines the facial landmarks for the face region, then convert into facial landmarks x, y to a numpy array. This is for left eye, this is for right eye, and after that it calculate the eye aspect ratio of left eye and it convert eye aspect ratio of right eye. Means these extract the left and right coordinates, then use the coordinates to compute the eye aspect ratio. This is the eye aspect ratio function. It called from there, and after that average two eye aspect ratio, left eye aspect ratio and right eye aspect ratio. Visualize each of the eye, left eye hull, right eye hull, and after that it draw the contour around the left eye and the right eye. This is the color of contour and this is the thickness of contour. This function recognize the face, and this for loop create the box around the face. This is the box length and breadth. This is the box color and this is the box thickness. And this library is for mouse. This library controls the movement of the mouse. Here you see inside this I write the coordinates because mouse move in these coordinates, and these coordinates are x and y. Means if I move the face here and there, the coordinate of the coordinate of our rectangular or the coordinate of our face is also changes with respect to the frame. And after that we fed the values of x and y to this function. This x and the y are the coordinates of the faces, left and right, up and down. So this ensured the movement of the head. And after that the blinking of eye. How we can control the left mouse with using the eye blink? These all are calculate the time in which eye remain closed. If eye aspect ratio is smaller than the threshold, then counter increase, p is equals to p+1 and time starts. Else if counter is greater than the eye consecutive frame, then total time increases and after that time is stopped. Means if the eye aspect ratio is smaller than the threshold, then the time increases, and if the counter is greater than and equals to eye consecutive frame, then time is stopped. In this we have time limit. The first is start time and another is stop time. If we difference the both time, then we have the time in which the eye remain closed. Here you see. And after subtract the two time stop time and start time one, and after that take the mod and round this, because in time the after decimal 5 values are there, so I need to round this to 2 figure. After point there is 2 figure. Here is this is I write 2, and this time is in second. This is the condition. If this condition is true, then this function is execute. This function is equivalent to the mouse left click. Here you see this, these are the coordinates. These are the same coordinate in which the mouse move, and this is the total time. If I close the eye approximately 0.6 second, then this function is execute. Means the click function is execute. If time of eye close is smaller than 0.6, then no click is happen. These all are the coordinates. Here you see this is same coordinate, and make sure these two function have same coordinates. This function move the mouse of a cursor, and this function click or this function is equivalent to the left click of a mouse. This is the second part of the code. In second part of the code we need to make the virtual keyboard. We make virtual keyboard by using tk enter. It is default in Python. You no need to download this library. It is default in Python. I also add one more function to the project, voice recognition. It convert the text to voice, and because if person type the letter through gesture, and after that it also convey the message through voice. So this is additional function. These are the function I explain later. This function, this is voice function, means it convert the text into voice, and this is offline. It not uses the online it offline. Make the size, window size, and configure the background color. It creates the entry box where all the letter are written. Here you see this. These all are making the box of 5, 4, and after that 0 from A to Z, and after that I make the enter button, make space button, make clear button. This is not that hard. It is easy. And if enter this call the function from there. I also add the voice button, call the voice function. Here you see voice function, and this is the function in which if I press all the keys, then it add in strings and save into a file named voice file.text in, and after that write the string. Here you see, write the string in the file. This is the function because we need to convert text into voice. So I save the text into a file, and after that read the file, and it convert this file string into voice, and it used to clear the string. And after that, after write, it close the file, it open that file in read mode, and it open that file and take this and read the string and save into data variable. And after that read this data. We can also control the rate of the sound, volume of the sound, and gender of the sound, means male and female. And right now I use female voice. This is not that hard, it is easy. I run this code and write my name.
Niraj Rawat.
Here you see, all these texts are saved in this file, voice file. Here you see, voice file. Here you see, I run this file. I don't use the mouse. The mouse is controlled through my face. First of all, run this command. And after that, run this file.
Niraj Rawat. Niraj Rawat. Niraj Rawat is good boy. Niraj Rawat is good boy. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, comment below, and after that I answer your comment. And stay safe.